Today is not only a celebration of that one day when the Supreme Court came into being, it also is a celebration of the decades worth of hard work by succeeding generations of judges and lawyers that went into making this a people's court. In celebrating the history of this day, we must look back and look forward in equal measure. Since the founding of the court, our actions have been guided by Mahatma Gandhi's profound words. Recall the face of the poorest and weakest man whom you have seen, and ask yourself if the step you contemplate is going to be of any use to him. Our decisions, both in the judicial and administrative realms, have been aimed at enhancing accessibility to the Indian judicial system for common citizens. Through its judgments, the Supreme Court has enhanced the rights of citizens by diluting the standards of local standi and by recognizing a new set of rights under Article 21 of the Constitution, such as the right to a speedy trial. On the administrative side, the Supreme Court has been identifying and eliminating as many barriers to justice: unequal access to legal resources, unfamiliarity of the English language, issues of physical accessibility of courts, in order to create procedural fairness. The e-courts project of the Supreme Court of India attempts to enhance accessibility and transparency of the justice delivery system. At the heart of these initiatives is the desire to transform the judicial system into a technology-enabled, efficient, accessible, and environmental-friendly institution. Let me briefly summarize the achievements of the court in simplifying its process. E-filing of cases. The front desk experience of approaching courts has changed completely. As opposed to lawyers lugging trolley carts of papers, we now have the facility of filing cases at the click of a button. An upgraded version of the Supreme Court's e-filing platform was launched in May 2023. It offers a host of improved features that have made 24/7 filing of cases simpler, faster, and convenient. Nearly 128,000 e-filings have been done so far, with a consistent rise in the share of e-filings compared to physical filings. E-filings are available in 25 states. They have recorded over 29 lakh cases which have been e-filed. With the immense support of the bar and the bench, we were able to swiftly shift to virtual hearings during COVID-19. Even after the pandemic, hybrid hearings continue to be a feature of our courts. That is, any Indian lawyer sitting in any part of the country or the world can argue before this court through video conferencing. This has democratized access to the Supreme Court. It has opened the space for those who are unable to approach the Supreme Court due to physical distance or want of resources. Even yesterday, one of my colleagues joined the bench through video conferencing for a special hearing on a Saturday. Till now, we have dealt with over 5 lakh cases through hybrid hearings. The live proceedings of the Supreme Court Constitutional Bench hearings are popular and speak to the genuine curiosity that people have towards our courts and procedures. Focus on scanning and digitization. The Supreme Court of India today operates in a near complete paperless mode, with almost all benches using digitized paper books. Judges are provided with scanned, bookmarked, and digitally signed case records, which they access, read, annotate, and preserve for their reference at their residences and in courtrooms. More than 13 lakh legacy and live case records, with approximately 10 crore pages, have been digitized. Futuristic courts. The Supreme Court has enabled futuristic court technology in 3 courtrooms, and soon other courtrooms shall be equipped with such technology. This technology facilitates paperless proceedings, a comprehensive digital library for the bench and the advocates, state-of-the-art video conferencing, large video walls, smart monitors, and document visualizers, all of which redefine the courtroom experience. Office automation. Adoption of e-office has enabled the officers of the Supreme Court Registry to perform their routine works in a paperless mode.
तो CJI DY चंद्रचूड़ को भी आप सुन रहे थे।